Glamoureyes! Thanks for joining me again today. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name's Aneesa. If you're an oldie, what's goodie? So this video we are checking out some falsies. False lashes up in the building. Okay, let me tell you my experience with lashes. I wore lashes yes, I said it, only 3 times in my life. The first was at my cousin's wedding, circa day 2007, 2008. Then fast forward literally 10 years, I wore them again for my graduation in 2017. And then for the third time was for my 30th birthday in last November, so 2 years after. That is my experience with lashes. I have never tried to put them on myself, ever. I actually have quite long eyelashes. I never really cared to put eyelashes on because I feel like mine are fine enough, and that just takes extra time. Who has time to do that? Unless, of course, it's like a special event, and yes, I will get all glammed out. But we're trying something new. We're doing different things. I was shopping on Amazon, and I came across some magnetic lashes, and I thought, let's give them a go. Why not? Why not try them? Magnetic lashes seem a bit more user-friendly to me because you don't have to deal with the glue and the drying, and I hear a lot of people, oh, you have to blow on it to let them dry, or you have to do this, you have to do that. Magnetic just seemed like, put it on, it sticks, So I went ahead and purchased these. These are from Maphie. It's the magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes with 3 pairs of 3D magnetic eyelashes, a tube of extra strong magnetic eyeliner, and 1-piece eyelash applicator. So on the back of this, looks like, on the back there are tips how to use and how to remove. And once you open it, there's a card that has the same information on the back. The lashes. I do like the fact that there is one natural looking pair. So that's these on the bottom. These are a bit more dramatic. This one also, the eyelashes are shorter in the middle, like right where this would be, and longer on the outside. These, not so much. Shake the bottle before using and make sure it seals. So let me do that now, so I don't forget. Performance will be better if you can put on eyelash before the eyeliner dries completely, and refine the eyeliner line. Try to put them, see what the size looks like in comparison to my eye, because my eye is tiny. This is what the eyelashes look like when you take them off from the strip, but there are magnets. This looked a tad bit long for me, so I cut off from the end about this much, just before I got to the first set of magnets is what I cut for now, since you can not replace it. So just this much. There's, a couple lashes here, but I may need to get rid of more. Let's see how they fall. Wow, it's also still huge. Way too big for my eye. So I think I will have to cut it down. Again, this has one magnet on it. Shape, the length of this, which is really only like that much, I kind of figured. But I also think that I do need to like apply mascara on my eyelashes to blend, because my eyelashes are just, they are very long. So I will apply and go to this. That's what it's like.
Reno made it, you dig?
Alrighty, so we have the final look. these are what the eyelashes look like. My thoughts right now are I do like how these eyelashes look because they have a more of a natural look, and that's what I like, especially with a easier everyday makeup. Like I don't have any eyeshadow or anything on right now, so this helps draw attention to my eyes and do something different. I also don't have a wing of liner on. That's also to give the illusion that my eye is like longer and like bigger this way. If you have these eyelashes on, you don't need them because this is giving the same illusion that the winged liner is doing. However, I do not like how long it took me to apply it. I mean, this is my first time trying, but you see magnetic lashes and I figured they would be user friendly because they magnetize to each other. So it's, I would think, easier, cleaner, quicker than regular lashes. But these took quite a while, which I'm not pleased about, and I would not use these on an everyday look. This would be more of a event type look. I'm also curious to see how durable they are, so I will be wearing them all day, and I will get back to you guys a little bit later and let you know what the durability and the wear time is like. I don't have anything too hectic of a day today. It's just a little bit easier, but I still would like to know what that looks like. And yeah, so this is it. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so here we are again. It is the nighttime and I have worn these lashes all day. I didn't do anything too crazy today at all, but I did do some yoga. These are what they look like. And they seem like they're still on. I mean, like if I touch them, they're on, but I have a feeling that if I were to just pull, it would just come right off, which I'm not gonna do it yet. But I will do it before the end just to show you. So if you look at them, they're not laying the same way. Like the way that this shapes up is not the same way that this shapes up. And I'm pretty sure that that may be because of my eye, but it also is because of the band of the eyelash. So I was able to play with the end right here, and probably like a few minutes after I actually applied it, when it was fully dry, I pulled it down and it like snapped into place. However, that didn't last long at all because as you can see right here, it's still lifted. It's lifted off. And because the eyeliner has now gotten on the magnet part of the lash band, it won't even reattach. This one, however, is on perfectly. I'm just gonna go ahead and, yeah, it just comes right off. Yeah. The eyeliner has patches where the magnets were. So it says like where the magnet was, the eyeliner lifted off. Let's see if they can just reapply just like this. I was curious. Yeah, but no. There is some sort of hold, but it's nothing that would keep it there. It actually looks like it's on better this time now than it was the first time. Strange, but it's not on. If you can see, the corner here is still easy to come off, and that is because the eyeliner is on here. So, final thoughts on these. I do think that the lashes are pretty when I do have them on. For my shape, they are a little bit lengthy over here, but if you're looking for that fullness, again, if you draw the winged eyeliner, it gives you that fullness that you don't need to do that. So it is a good thing. Not for every day. I think it's a bit too much, especially because these are the ones that look like more natural, more like the everyday ones. The application process I do not like, and I don't think it's really practical for every day. It may just be this brand, and honestly, I purchased this a couple months ago, so it may be the fact that the eyeliner just doesn't work anymore. But if that's the case, you would have to use this out pretty quickly if you do purchase it. So, would I really use this again? The answer is no. For fun, maybe if I'm doing like a photo shoot or maybe if I have like something to go to at night that I just don't really feel like doing any eyeshadow, but I want just like a more of a dramatic eye, I might take the time to put this on. But in terms of every day, no way. No way. No way. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you made it to the end, hashtag natural in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. And until next time, peace from Neesa.